We're continuing the topic on steps proactive A&E firms are taking to manage through market uncertainty. I've already talked about business development and talent management, and the last topic is around operational improvement. First, proactive firms are getting their KPIs, or key performance indicators, in order. In a recent webinar on the top 10 KPIs for A&E firms, Stephen Burns surveyed the audience, and only 50% of firms felt like they tracked and managed KPIs effectively. It's time to fix that. Second, the reason to fix that is the most proactive firms are leveraging those KPIs to then drive operational improvement. They might be running more structured project reviews. They might be improving forecasting rigor. They might be more effectively performance managing their employees. From our team, Lucas Gray and Carl Cook just gave a great webinar on how to improve cash flow through better invoicing and collections practices. And we at BQE have a firm maturity model that helps firms chart how to improve operations, which is then correlated with better business outcomes. Finally, an uncertain time is often the best time to invest in the right tools. This can be counterintuitive for firms since it can involve spending some money, but I wouldn't want to weather a rainstorm with a tiny cocktail umbrella. Making the right decisions with data is critical, and labor is by far the single greatest expense for most A&E firms, and the cost benefit on tools to drive efficiency is very favorable. It's still surprising to me that more than half of A&E firms still use Excel and QuickBooks to manage their businesses, and the rest use software that seems to predate the internet. Modern, purpose-built software can drive much better outcomes. In a recent survey of A&E firms, only 1 in 6 felt like they had the right software tools in place. And as an added bonus, the newer generation of A&E employees expects to be working with modern software, so that change can help with recruitment and retention. That wraps up our short series on how proactive firms are managing through uncertainty. So there are other great steps that other firms are taking, so let me know if you have any suggestions or questions in the comments.